Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change data source settings in Power BI. This is a really useful skill when you need to update where your data is coming from, whether you've moved a file to a different location or you're switching to a completely new data source. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you've got it up and running, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see various tabs. Make sure you're on the Home tab, as this is where you'll find the tools we need for this task. Next, locate and click on Transform Data. This button is your gateway to managing how Power BI handles your data sources and connections. It's an essential feature for anyone who regularly works with data sets that might change or move over time. After clicking Transform Data, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Data Source Settings. This option takes you directly to the panel where all your current data connections are listed and managed. It's the control center for everything related to where your data lives. Now you'll see a list of all the data sources currently connected to your Power BI file. Click on the specific data source you want to modify. Once you've selected it, look toward the bottom of the window where you'll find several options. Click on Change Source. This is the step that allows you to redirect Power BI to pull data from a different location or file. A new dialog box will open up, giving you options to specify your new data source. Here you'll want to click on Browse. This opens your file browser, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and locate the new data source file you want to use. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct file, as pointing to the wrong source could cause errors in your reports. Once you've found and selected the correct file, click OK to confirm your selection. Power BI will now update the connection and start pulling data from this new source instead of the old one. This change takes effect immediately, so you might want to verify that everything is loading correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your data source settings in Power BI, giving you the flexibility to work with updated or relocated files without having to rebuild your entire report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.